All right, so this is how we patch these holes. We had an old phone jack we're going to remove. It's no longer being used. I'm going to pull out this thing here. So what we're going to do is measure 2 inches past, so we need a piece 4 inches by, say, 5.5. And this is 6.5, so 4 inches. By 5.5. All right, so now you just want to mark this out. And then this way, try to center it up. And we're going to cut this off from the back. So right here, kind of important, you want to hold your finger against this. You don't want to pull the paper away from this part. So when you got a situation like this, you can scrape that off. You don't want anything behind it that's going to hold it off. Now we're going to dry fit this piece. So it's a little snug, so what we're going to do is take this, and we want to cut this off anyhow. Cut that at a little bit of a taper. So you want it to fit in there just a little loose. Fit like that. All right, so once you got it dry fit and it fits in there kind of loose, you just want to smear this on there just like this. And you want to push it in there flat with the other surface. And they call this a hot patch, but I assume that's because you can use 20-minute mud or 45-minute mud. This is regular joint compound. And I've also heard it called California patch, but we're not in California, so we're going to call this a Georgia patch. Anyways, this, you can put a little bit of a skim coat on this. That's going to take another coat, and we'll come back and finish that later. All right, we're just going to do a quick little sand, knock down the high spots. And we're going to put a skim coat on here using our 10-inch knife. And that's going to finish it.